It's great to see all your amazing faces once again. Today, I am going to be showing you how to create this look, which is creating an infinite black background, as you can see, with some cool dramatic cinematic lighting. If this is something that you want to learn, then sit back, relax, let's figure this out. The basic things we need to create a look like this is, first of all, to get background stands, is to get a black fabric. You need a light, a softbox, a honeycomb grid, and another extra light that has bandos. If you have a gel, you can add it up, but if not, we are ready to get this tutorial started. So let's throw 60 seconds on the clock, and now I would show you how to put all of these things together to create this kind of a look. You bring in the two background stands, put in the top crossbar. Once that is done, you put on the black cloth, then make sure to shift your talent forward. Make sure there's a distance between where your talent is seated or standing and the background. Then you now place in your light. Make sure the light is placed just to the side of the character. Put on the softbox and make sure to put on the honeycomb. And what the honeycomb does is that it cuts down the light and make sure that the light doesn't spill off to the background. Once you have the honeycomb on, place the light in such a way that it is not pointing to the black background. As you can see, it creates dark shadows at the other side of the face. This could just be a dramatic shot and you are ready to go. You can take this to the next level by bringing in the second light and putting on a gel. Let's say in this case we have a blue gel on, and making sure that it has band doors so that you close in the band doors to make sure the light doesn't spill to the background or spill onto the camera lens. Just around the arm or the rim of the subject, it creates a very good line there, which creates a very good separation between the subject and the background, since that side of the face is absolutely dark. You need to remember that the key to always getting a black background is making sure that the light doesn't spill on the background. Make sure constantly the light is turned towards your subject and not towards the background. So you need to keep at least 5 feet distance between your subject and the background. And stop it. I hope we did well. I hope we didn't cross the 60 seconds mark. But that is it, guys. This is a very cool setup that you can replicate anywhere in your room. As you can see, I'm just in this kind of a very simple room and I'm able to pull off this kind of very professional look. So anyone can do it regardless of wherever you find yourself. This is a very simple and straightforward effect. Now, if you don't want a very dramatic look, which is by having this side very dark, you can add in another light to make sure you soften the shadows a little and still have this other one there to create the rim or to create the line at the edges of the subject. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to stay a little bit consistent these days with the 60 seconds tutorials on this channel. And so if this sounds interesting, we talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. If this sounds interesting, then please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure to click on the notification icon so that you get notified anytime we drop awesome content like this on the Africa Amaze channel. I am staggered by your generosity in clicking the like button. Please do click the like button because it goes a long way in helping other people discover this awesome channel right here on YouTube. And you know, I love you guys so much. Until next time, as always, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.